See, we are discussing the last part of the topic today. I'll wind up the topic and from tomorrow I'll begin with electrostatics. Huge topic. This is also a very huge topic, students. We'll begin with that tomorrow. We'll wind up this. I've not left anything. What is resolving power of microscope? It is the minimum distance of separation between the two point objects. Point objects पाहिजेत हा. Microscope चं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. So the minimum distance of separation between the two point objects such that their images appear to be just resolved. Just resolved means just separated. म्हणजे एकाचा सेंट्रल मॅक्झिमा डिस्टन्स बिटवीन ह्या इमेज आयचा एक सेंट्रल मॅक्झिमा आणि आय डॅशचा एक सेंट्रल मॅक्झिमा. डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द सेंट्रल मॅक्झिमा ऑफ द टू इज इक्वल टू द डिस्टन्स म्हणजे ही कंडिशन आहे रॅलिस क्रायटेरियन. डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द central maxima of the two is equal to the distance between central maxima of one and its first minima. I'll repeat again. What is resolving power of microscope? Resolving power RP म्हणतात त्याला. It is the reciprocal of minimum angular separation, minimum separation between two point objects such that the images appear to be just resolved is called resolving power of microscope. Repeat again. It is the reciprocal of minimum distance of separation between two point objects such that their images appear to be just resolved. That is called resolving power of microscope. Point number 2. O and O dash are the two point objects. AB is a simple microscope or AB is the lens used in the microscope. Let n be the refractive index of the medium between the object and this microscope here or this objective म्हणतात त्याला. Let n be the refractive index of the medium. I is the position of the image formed by point O due to diffraction through the lens AB, and I dash is the position of the image of object O dash. That's it. When will they appear to be resolved or just separated? When the distance between the central maxima of the two is equal to the distance between central maxima of one and its first minima. That's its first minima. That's it. Okay, simple. Students, let me clear the path difference. Look here. The path difference between the rays from point O reaching the point I dash is equal to what? O A I dash minus O dash A I dash. That is the path difference. Look here. From the geometry we can prove. आता हे 90 हेच डायग्राम आहे हा. नीट बघा. हा पॉइंट O, हा पॉइंट O dash. हे this is distance small a. That is this. थोडे geometry बघा. This is 90 degree here. Okay, 90 degree. कळतं? 90 degree. Now, what is here alpha? Look here. This is alpha here. So tell me, what is DO dash? What is DO dash? Path difference is equal to what? Path difference is equal to D O dash plus O dash C. And what is that? D O dash plus O dash C. D O dash plus O dash C. And what is that equal to? What is D O dash? मुलांनो, 90 degree sin alpha define करा. Sin alpha is opposite side upon the hypotenuse. So what do we get here? A sin alpha. Plus again O dash C is again same. A sin alpha. Therefore the path difference is equal to 2A sin alpha. Okay, let n be the refractive index of the medium between the point objects and the objective, which is a simple convex lens here. Then for condition of just result, the path difference for नॉन ल्युमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट. आता जनरली तुम्हाला माहिती आहे नॉन ल्युमिनस का ऑब्जेक्ट्स नसतात. सॉरी फॉर ल्युमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स. तुम्हाला हे रिअलिटीमध्ये माहिती आहे की ऑब्जेक्ट्स हे स्वतः लाईट एमिटिंग नसतात. देन इन दॅट केस अकॉर्डिंग टू एरी path difference is equal to lambda n, wavelength of light, when the 2 point objects O and O dash are non-luminating म्हणजे not light emitting. Therefore 2a sin alpha is equal to lambda n, which is lambda upon n, because n is the refractive index of the medium between the object and the objective. Lambda n तुम्हाला माहिती आहे refractive index is lambda upon lambda n, or therefore lambda n is equal to lambda upon n. Tell me what is a equal to then? What is a equal to? Lambda upon 2n sin alpha. Lambda upon 2n sin alpha. What is that equal to? Therefore a is equal to lambda upon 2 into numerical aperture, where what is numerical aperture, students? N sin alpha. Ends the job. Parat revise. What is resolving power of a microscope? It is the reciprocal of minimum distance of separation between the 2 point objects at which their images appear to be just resolved, at which their images appear to be just separated. O and O dash are the 2 point objects separated by a distance a. Let this obtain an angle of 2 alpha at the objective. Okay. थोडं डायग्रामेटिक बघा. हा O O dash आहे, थोडं परपेंडिक्युलर काढलंय टू शो द पाथ डिफरन्स, अँड दॅट पाथ डिफरन्स इज इक्वल टू D O dash. हे ह्याच्या बिहाइंड आहे इथं. पाथ डिफरन्स इज D O dash plus O dash C, which is A sin alpha plus A sin alpha. If you define sin alpha here, हे बघा हा अल्फा येतो. If you define sin alpha here, you get it is opposite side upon the hypotenuse. Path difference. Generally, for non-illuminating objects, generally you know that the objects never emit their own light, is equal to lambda n. Therefore 2a sin alpha is equal to lambda upon n. A is equal to lambda upon 2n sin alpha. N sin alpha is called numerical aperture. That's it. Students, असं जर घडलं की समजा if the two objects are self-illuminating, स्वतः light emit करणारे, which is not possible in practical, we get the path difference 2a sin alpha is equal to 1.22 lambda n, or therefore 2a sin alpha is equal to 1.22 lambda upon n. Lambda n is lambda upon n, or a is equal to what? 1.22 lambda divided by 2n sin alpha. Again same story, 1.22 lambda divided by 2n sin alpha is numerical aperture. Ends the job. Numerical aperture, that is the RP of microscope. Is it okay मुलांनो? एवढंच आहे ते, बाकी काही नाही. आता बघून घ्या एकदा. This is for the objects which illuminate their own light. This is for the condition for the objects which are non-self luminous, जे जनरली तेच असतात. कळतंय? That's it. What is RP? हां तुम्हाला RP is actually reciprocal. Reciprocal of the minimum separation between the 2 point objects at which their images appear to be just resolved. Either it's a reciprocal करा म्हणून. RP is equal to 1 upon A, उलटा करायचं, or RP is equal to 1 upon A करा, that is 2n, हे बघा, or 2n sin alpha upon lambda. Ends the job. Clear? Clear मुलांनो? Yes. आता लास्ट पार्ट टॉपिकचा RP of टेलिस्कोप. तुम्हाला ते डायग्राम दाखवते. दॅट विल कम्प्लीट द टॉपिक स्टुडंट्स. 2 मिनिटं मला फक्त डायग्राम काढायला द्या. 2 मिनिटं पण नाही लागणार. What is a telescope? Telescope is a optical instrument used to see, हे तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी माहिती आहे, used to see distant objects clearly, the objects which are far away. बरोबर उलट होतं ते. काय उलट होतं हे सांगेन. Listen. RP of telescope, which is the last part of the topic. This is the objective of the telescope, which is of very large focal length. The rays which come parallel rays because the object is very very far away. The rays are brought to focus say at point A, ज्याचा हा central maxima. The rays due to diffraction, the rays which make an angle theta, the rays which make an angle theta are brought to focus by the lens say at point B. Now झालं, हा आता theta होणार. Let me say D is the diameter of the objective of the lens. हे D आहे. हे ह्याचं सेंट्रल मॅक्झिमा आणि हा ह्याचा सेंट्रल मॅक्झिमा. That's it. Are you okay here? झालं. What is RP of telescope? It is the reciprocal of minimum angular separation between the 2 point objects at which their images appear to be just resolved. म्हणजे RP is 1/θ. आता θ म्हणजे काय? Parallel rays are brought to focus by the objective of the telescope at point A, and the rays which make an angle theta with the parallel beam are brought to focus at point B dash. The path difference between the two rays is obviously, हे आता AB घेतलं किंवा हे तुम्ही if you take it as हे I घेऊया, we take it as I, we take it as I dash, हे A, हे B. So what is the path difference? It is A dash I. Path difference will be B I dash minus A I dash. Path difference. And what that can be proved as D into theta. Now you may ask me, teacher, D into theta कसं? हे I dash आहे ना difference. तुम्हाला S is equal to R theta formula माहिती आहे. So as per that we get B I dash minus A I dash is equal to D theta. Okay. Path difference is what here? Obviously the path difference should be equal to D into theta. According to a scientist who was called as Abbe, the path difference for proper separation, path difference is equal to 1.22 lambda, or therefore theta is equal to 1.22 lambda upon D. RP is reciprocal of theta. उल्ट करा, D upon 1.22 lambda ends the job. झालं. D upon 1.22 lambda. झालं. Clear? एकदा revision and that will complete your topic. What is RP of telescope? It is the minimum angular reciprocal of the minimum angular separation between 2 point objects at which their images appear to be just resolved. Parallel beam of light rays after refraction through the objective or the lens is brought to focus at point I. The rays which make an angle theta are brought to focus at I dash. The path difference is B I dash minus A I dash, which is equal to D theta. S is equal to R theta formula. According to Abbe, the path difference is 1.22 lambda, which is equal to D theta. D is the diameter or the aperture म्हणतात त्याला of this lens. हे D theta आणि हे D theta हे हाफ घेतो आपण. टोटल D theta येतं. हे D/2 theta आणि हे D/2 theta असं करून ऍड करतो आपण. So that will give you D theta. Theta is equal to 1.22 lambda for म्हणजे minimum just resolved condition आहे ते. Just resolved conditionचं meaning central maxima, distance between the central maxima is equal to the distance between central maxima of one and its first minima, and then theta येतो, and then RP is equal to reciprocal of theta, that is D divided by 1.22 lambda. Finish. झालं. Clear? Okay students? Fine. Tomorrow I'll begin with electrostatics. ठीक है? चलो. We'll stop for today students.